Hello, best friends. In this video, I'll be showing y'all the things I like to do that help me get out of an unproductive pattern, help me get out of a rut, or just a time when I'm not feeling motivated to do anything. Sometimes we can fall into these type of patterns, and usually during these times, we let our environments get messy. I don't know about you guys, but that happens to me. We're not putting much effort into getting up and being active, and we just start forming bad habits. So today, I'm just going to be showing you guys and talking to y'all about the things that's helped me along my journey when it comes to needing to get out of a rut. We're here to get back on track, and the first way I like to do that is by simply cleaning. As I'm cleaning my environment, it starts changing how I feel on the inside. Instead of having that dread to not want to get up and clean, those thoughts change because now I don't have nothing to dread. My environment is clearing up, and it's also making my mind feel more at ease. Your outside environment can be a reflection of what's going on inside of your world. So doing things as simple as cleaning can help clear your mind of all that extra scattered thoughts. When you fall into a rut, sometimes that's just the way of your body telling you to have an off day. We're always looking for ways to elevate. We're always doing this and that, and just moving super fast and not allowing ourselves to be in the moment. But it's perfectly normal to not be on go mode every second. Not having any off days can lead into you being stressed out and, in the end, eventually being unmotivated and unproductive. So you tend to get right back in that rut. Taking an off day can give your mind and body that time to relax and just recharge. Sometimes we fall into ruts constantly, and when that starts to happen consistently, then it's time to look at your daily activities and ask, why do I keep falling into these unmotivated states? You might just realize that it's because you're living an unfulfilling life for you. There's no true joy or happiness in what you're doing every day, and that's just simply because you feel that you're not living the life you want to be living. You might feel like you're settling for that life, and when you settle for something, you don't put all your energy into it because that's not what your heart truly desires. When you're not putting that energy into it, it just brings you back in the same cycle, just falling for another rut. So what's a way you can fix that? Well, start doing things that bring you true smiles. What is an activity you can do today that will bring you true happiness? Maybe it's going out, shopping, doing something that brings you one step closer to your goal, talking to a friend, exercising. It can honestly be anything, but just add a change to your day and start including things that genuinely make you smile. Starting by cleaning can help because a lot of times when you start to feel unmotivated, it's because you've created or you're in an environment that puts you in those feelings. Demotivation can live inside of places like your room. It can cause you to start feeling sorry for yourself and make you fall in a self-pity mode. You can't wait for someone to try to come by and help you out of it. You have to get out of it yourself. So if your room gets messy and everything is scattered all over the place, it will have an effect on you, and that's why you want to be in a clean environment. Then you can leave your room, you can go outside, you can get active. When you leave your room, you can get that motivation back just by simply being outside. Making a slight change to your daily life can put you so far ahead and get you to the life you want to be living every single day. Staying in the same repeating routine doesn't allow room for excitement. You want to do things that make you feel good and bring a bit more joy to your life. So sometimes you just need to slow down and just look at all aspects in every area of your life. Like, what type of friends are you surrounded by? What do you do when you get up every day? What are some ways you can start feeling energized about getting up every day? So just ask yourself these questions and give yourself tasks or things to do that you're happy about doing every day. Get yourself excited, play some good music, drink lots of water, eat something that makes you feel good after eating it. See, the thing is, a rut can feel like it's going to be there forever. Once you start feeling like that, it starts to show. Like, things get messy. You start eating foods you shouldn't be eating. We turn to junk food because, as you eat it, it gives you a spike of happiness. How do you feel after that? You just feel even worse than what you felt beforehand. That happiness you got from eating that was temporary. You may also start giving into things that you shouldn't be given into because you develop this kind of I might as well attitude. But really, you don't even know that. You're just faking yourself out because ruts aren't here for a long time. You're not helping your situation. You're making it worse by moving into these things that aren't serving you without even realizing that you'll always get out of a rut. That's the first thing you need to know. So just take this rut that you're in and use it as time to really focus on yourself. Really just do things that make you feel good. A rut can be caused from things like experiencing heartbreak, feeling behind, or simply not having things work out for you. But the more you want to get out of that rut, the more you'll stay there. Sometimes you need to be in it to see what is it that you need to learn. We all want to get out of a rut, so we develop so much resistance when we're in one. We're trying to fight it, and yes, resistance does make us stronger, but sometimes you have to learn to surrender. I'll use a heartbreak, for example. When you get your heart broken, you don't want to feel that pain, but guess what? It's there. It doesn't go anywhere until you face it. But a lot of us don't want to face it. You can try so hard to make yourself not feel it. You can go back or do the same things that put your heart in that position in the first place. You just try to distract yourself, but in the end, it's still there. So if you don't face it, it'll remain there or even come back in the future because you never faced it. All you did was ignore it. Sometimes ruts are there to teach us. Ruts can make us stronger, and the beauty is in coming out of it. Everything happens for a reason. In life, we're all going to face something. Nobody is going to have a smooth sailing life. We're not perfect. Things won't go our way. Life simply happens, so you have to realize that we're all going to get stuck in a rut. And it's okay. In the end, you have to know no matter how bad things seem, life will still go on. And you will get through that rut. So that's it for now, and until next time.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they going?